Hi, I'm Tolly McGettigan, Product Manager for Power Equipment for Horizon Distributors. Right now we want to talk about oil changes. How often do I do them? What kind of oil do I use? So let's start with this Exmark laser. Now this is going to be true for any type of mower with a large block engines. The manufacturers, both Kohler and Kawasaki, recommend a 20W50 oil. And this is a little heavier duty oil, so we're looking at temperatures anywhere from 32 degrees and up. We want to make sure that we're using a 20W50 for these engines. That's going to give us the best protection. First oil change on this is going to be at 10 hours, right? So you're going to get a brand new mower, and we're going to tell you we want to have that thing back in our shop for a 10-hour oil change. That's because there's break-in oil in there right now. We want to make sure that it has a little time to break in, and then we get that out of there and we put some fresh oil in it. So once that's done, it's every 100 hours after that. We want to make sure that we change it. But we do want to make sure we check it on a daily basis. Okay, on a smaller mower like this, we've got a Kawasaki FJ180 engine on it. You'll see this engine used on a lot of different pieces of equipment. Very popular. Our very first oil change on this is going to be in the 8 to 10 hour range, and then we're going to go every 100 hours after that. This particular one will use an SAE30 or a 10W30 oil, and that's going to give you the best protection, longest life. There's a lot of variables with that, right? So if it's a hot environment, if it's a really dusty environment, if you're not checking your air filters as often as you're supposed to, you're going to get dirty oil. And so you want to make sure that you're looking at that stuff on a daily basis.